Hi everyone, you're watching Stories That Matter. This is Bushra Sadkid. Today I'll be bringing you an update on the NEET examinations, the UG exam specifically. In its latest notification, the NTA has now started the registration process for NEET UG 2021. The Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan on Monday announced the new exam dates for the MBBS BDS entrance exams, and as per the latest announcement, the exam will be held on September 12. NEET aspirants will be able to register for the examinations from 5 p.m. on July 13, that has already begun on the official website. I'll mention the link in the description box below. This year, the number of test cities have been increased due to the virus and to ensure social distancing amongst the students. The number of cities has been increased from 155 to 198, and the number of examination centers will also be increased. Now, candidates need soft copies of relevant documents to apply for the exam. The list includes the candidate's photograph, signature, left-hand thumb impression, Class 10 mark sheet, Class 10 passing certificate, Class 12 mark sheet, Class 12 passing certificate, ID proof such as Aadhaar card. Earlier, it was announced that these exams will be held on August 1st. However, the exam was postponed due to the second wave of the COVID-19 virus. Last year, NEET UG 2020 was conducted on September 13 amid strict precautions in view of COVID pandemic, and a total of 13.66 lakh candidates had appeared in the exam, out of which 7,71,500 candidates had qualified. Application form correction window will open from August 8, and the last date to pay application fees for NEET UG is August 7. Now, the NTA has announced a two-step registration process of NEET UG 2021. Now, the chorus of deferment of examination is growing louder and louder as the days pass. Taking to Twitter, many medical aspirants are urging the NTA and the Education Minister to postpone the NEET entrance exams till October. Hashtag postpone NEET UG till October has been trending on Twitter for quite a while now. Students are requesting authorities to take the examinations only after ensuring that each child is completely vaccinated. However, it seems that a decision has been made by the authorities. It is very much advised to the aspirants to stop worrying about the postponement of examinations and please register for NEET UG if you would like to write this year. It is important that each aspirant tries to get vaccinated at least with one dose before these exams, and because it is highly unlikely that authorities might change their decision now. So, NEET aspirants are requested to please prepare for these examinations. Do not worry, do not stress, and do not panic. Take as much as precaution as possible and try to build your immunity. Get enough sleep. Try to keep a healthy diet. Most important thing for the students is to not get anxious. Do not panic. Yes, this pandemic time is very scary for all of us. We might have family members who have died due to COVID, who are suffering from COVID, but life goes on and the students need to be strong. We are with all the students that are writing entrance examinations this year. These past 2 years have been very difficult for the entire world, not just our country. For all the students that are writing examinations and fighting through this pandemic times, kudos to you. All the best for your examinations. You are strong. This too shall pass. If you find this information useful, please do share it as much as possible. If you would like to watch more such stories that matter to you, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you think there are more issues or any sort of stories out there that matter, please do tell me about it in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to cover it in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. This is Bushra Sadkid signing off.